English listening and reading practice. Topic: exercise and health. Exercise is basically any physical activity that we perform on a repetitive basis for relaxing our body and taking away all the mental stress. It is important to do regular exercise. When you do this on a daily basis, you become fit both physically and mentally. Moreover, not exercising daily can make a person susceptible to different diseases. Thus, just like eating food daily, we must also exercise daily. Exercising is most essential for proper health and fitness. Moreover, it is essential for every sphere of life. Especially today's youth need to exercise more than ever. It is because the junk food they consume every day can hamper their quality of life. If you are not healthy, you cannot lead a happy life and won't be able to contribute to the expansion of society. Thus, one needs to exercise to beat all these problems. But it is not just about the youth, but also about every member of the society. These days, physical activities take places in colleges more than often. The professionals are called to the campus for organizing physical exercises. Thus, it is a great opportunity for everyone who wishes to do it. Just like exercise is important for college kids, it is also essential for office workers. The desk job requires the person to sit at the desk for long hours without breaks. This gives rise to a very unhealthy lifestyle. They get a limited amount of exercise as they just sit all day, then come back home and sleep. Therefore, it is essential to exercise to adopt a healthy lifestyle that can also prevent any damaging diseases. Exercise has a lot of benefits in today's world. First of all, it helps in maintaining your weight. Moreover, it also helps you reduce weight if you are overweight. It is because you burn calories when you exercise. Further, it helps in developing your muscles. Thus, the heart rate of your body will increases, which helps to burn calories. Moreover, it also helps in improving the oxygen level and blood flow of the body. When you exercise daily, your brain cells release endorphins frequently. This helps in producing cells in the hippocampus. Moreover, it is the part of the brain which helps to learn and control memory. The concentration level in your body will improve, which will ultimately lower the danger of disease like Alzheimer's. In addition to this, you can also reduce the strain on your heart through exercise. Finally, it controls the blood sugar levels of your body, so it helps to prevent or delay diabetes. So, in order to live healthy life, it is essential to exercise for mental and physical development. Thus, exercise is important for the overall growth of a person. It is essential to maintain a balance between work, rest and activities. So make sure to exercise daily.